Hello guys, in this video we're gonna learn how to create a pattern in Java. So as you see there, I've already created a project called pattern programming. So I don't need to create a one more project. I'm just creating a class called pattern demo. So now we have created a class, so we can begin our code there. So first we need a temp type int. So temp is equal to 1 and I'm initializing it to 1, and we need a for loop. I'm initializing it to 1, 2, less than or equal to 5. This for loop for our column, and this for loop we need one more for loop for row. I'm initializing it to 1 and I is equal to I is less than or equal to I. So we have done the for loops. We need system dot out dot println. I'm printing temp plus plus and one more plus for separate spaces, and that we don't need island, so I'm removing it, and I'm using one more system dot out println for next line. So we have done the programming. I've saved it and I just want to run it. Let's see. So as you see, we have created a pattern using Java. So thank you for watching it.